Coming in a startling revelation, the private hospitals in Bengaluru are currently working with only 50% of the nursing staff in the city, and this is of course at a time when the number of cases has been rising in the city of Bengaluru. Now, as per the Private Hospitals and Nursing Homes Association, there are a total of 5,250 nurses who are working across the private hospitals in Bengaluru. But owing to the pandemic, only 30% of the attrition of the nursing staff who have not returned to duty. There are 10% of the staff that are unable to work in the COVID wards because of certain age restrictions, and another 10% who are unwilling to work due to the risks that are involved. In fact, this essentially now goes on to say that there are only 2,625 nursing staff that are currently available for work in these private hospitals. As the number of COVID cases are at an all-time high in Bengaluru, the private hospitals are currently staring at a manpower crisis.
See, already due to the lockdown, we lost 30% of our workforce. All those who went to the villages, they never returned back for duty. And out of this, now a lot of healthcare workers have come positive. And there is a big fear among the private health workforce. And all the hospitals are working with only 50% workers right now. So with that, we have to take care of 50% of our beds for corona patients. It's becoming a very, very big problem.
Meanwhile, in response to this, Karnataka's Deputy Chief Minister has said that the government will manage even with limited medical staff. He in fact also added that everyone needs to work together to deal with the COVID situation, and there is a greater need to mobilize the available resources.
The doctors, nurses, we need to mobilize them, and I think there should not be any dearth of doctors. If you look at the numbers, number of interns, housemen, house surgeons, postgraduates, and the professionals who have been practicing private clinics, I think we have a good numbers. Only thing is we need to mobilize them and channelize them so that wherever there is a shortfall, we need to accommodate them and include them and integrate into the mainstream, and we can facilitate all those things.
Meanwhile, to effectively deal with the COVID situation, the Karnataka government has converted the Bengaluru International Exhibition Centre, which is a sprawling 57-acre campus, into a COVID care centre. The facility, which is equipped with a 10,100 bed facility, will be exclusively set aside for asymptomatics with mild symptoms. In fact, at a time when the city is grappling with shortage of medical staff, the big question is the civic body prepared to handle this? The BBMP's Joint Commissioner, who is currently overseeing the operations at this new facility, assures that there will be one doctor and two nurses for every 100 patients who come in.
We probably require a facility like this because you're seeing the surge of cases that is increasing every day. So the government decided that they're going to have a large facility, one of the biggest in the country or probably one of the biggest in the world. So here we are going to have about 10,100, beds for patients and then doctors and all over for everybody. Basically, this facility is only for asymptomatic patients. So we will have about 10,000 plus asymptomatic patients. So we are creating an ICU here basically because the Honorable DCM felt that, because people from here, people taking them would be a big task and necessarily avoiding a journey. By Saturday or Sunday is what we are looking at. But we are comfortable right now. Okay. We already have 1,000 beds which is vacant in other places. Other facilities also are up and running. They are running now. So we have sufficient time. So we will easily merge with this. We have no issues.
The active cases in the state of Karnataka has crossed 14,000. Now, definitely that is a number for people to worry, considering the fact over the last couple of days, people have been calling the private hospital asking for beds, but they have been turned away. In fact, this has necessitated the Karnataka government to set up one of the biggest facilities in the country right here on Tumkur Road. In fact, clearly, at least about 35 kilometers from the city, which is the Bengaluru International Centre and Exhibition Centre, has been completely converted into a COVID care hospital. Now, this particular hospital will be used especially only for the asymptomatics exhibiting mild symptoms. What you see over here is these are the wards that they have set up. In each wards, you have at least about 66 of the beds. each of the beds have been provided at least with one particular stand fan. And we see that apart from this particular area, as far as the ratio of the doctors are concerned, for 100 patients, one doctor will be deployed and 2 nurses. Now, these doctors and the nurse, they will be working in 3 different shifts, which is round the clock. In fact, this is just one particular center that we are showing you. Adjacent to this, there are at least 4 different other centers. It is in a similar fashion where they have developed these different wards, especially for the asymptomatics. Now, the number of beds that they have set up over here stands at least 10,100, which makes it the biggest facility after, in fact, we see where the Delhi has set up nearly 10,000 beds. Now we see out of these 10,100 beds, nearly 100 of the beds will be set up just exclusively for the ICU and just for the emergencies. Now, this is just the first facility, the biggest facility in the state of Karnataka, what we are looking at. Speaking to Sarfaraz Khan, who is overseeing the entire operations, he tells us that there are more facilities that are going to come up in the coming days. With video journalist Pradeep, this is Shrija reporting for Mirror Now in Bengaluru.